Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to play Descenders multiplayer. To get started, you'll first need to make sure your game isn't set to offline mode. Just pop into your gameplay settings and untick that option. Once you're online, head over to the main menu and select the multiplayer lobby. This is your gateway to riding with friends and other players, so make sure you're connected and ready to go. Once you're in the multiplayer lobby, you can easily host your own game. Simply choose the Create New Game option. To keep your session private and exclusive to your friends, remember to set a unique password. This prevents random players from joining unexpectedly. Your game will be listed under your username, making it simple for your friends to find you and join in on the fun. If you're looking to join a friend's game, it's just as straightforward. Your friends will need to search for your username in the list of available lobbies. Once they spot your game, they'll simply enter the password you've set to gain access. Sometimes, lobbies might not appear immediately, so a quick refresh of the multiplayer menu can help. Get ready to hit the trails together in no time. After everyone has joined, you can customize your multiplayer experience. You have the freedom to select from a wide array of bike parks or even input specific seed codes to generate unique and exciting tracks. You can typically ride with up to 4 friends, tackling challenging descents and pulling off incredible tricks. It's a fantastic way to explore the game's diverse environments and share epic moments on 2 wheels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.